started, I have told you that today I will take chapter number 2, that is my body. And here these two pictures, in the first picture it is saying that turn up the volume so that they can hear the sound. And here in the second picture it is saying, here the father is saying that Karan, do not sit too close to the TV, right? We should not sit too close to TV because the radiation, because the light of the TV may damage our eyesight, right? So we will not sit too close to the TV. Now it is saying that our body has different parts. Look at the picture below and learn the names of the different parts of the body. Okay, so here you can see that these two pictures, this is the whole body parts, names of the whole body parts you can see over here, and this is the particular face part. Okay, there is no joining option. Why, Jasim? Here many students have already joined. Please check your internet connection, then do this, then join the call. So what I was saying that here in this picture, let's see the names of the parts of the full body. You can see over here, this is the head. We know that this part is called head. This part is called shoulder, right? This part is called, the middle part is called chest. Then this part is called stomach, right? All of you look at the picture, stomach. Then this hand, this portion, we can say this is wrist. Pronunciate it like wrist. Okay. Then you can see the finger, one of your finger, that is this one. This finger is thumb. This is called thumb, and this part is we call foot, right? Look at the picture and just see this. And also this part I am discussing that this part is called arm. This part, this angular part we can say this is elbow. Then hand, we know this part is our hand. Then fingers, so these are our fingers, right? These are our fingers. Then in our leg, this part is called knee. This is our leg, the whole part is called leg. And the front part of our foot is called toe, right? So these are the parts of the full body. Just go through this part very well. Okay, now let's see the face part. In the particular face part, you can see this part, this is called our hair. Then forehead, this part is forehead. Then eye, we all know where is eye. Mouth, our eating part, mouth. Then lips, with lips we can talk. Tongue, with tongue, this is tongue. Then chin, this part is called chin. You can see in the picture clearly, right? Then teeth. Then here this part is called cheek. And nose, nose we all know where it is. Then eyebrow. But আয়ুষ টুগেদার মোডে করেছিল, বললাম যে গ্রিড ভিউ তো করো, এখান থেকে করতে, এটা তো আমি নিজেটা করতে পারবো, স্টুডেন্টরা করতে পারবো। Okay, so where I was, that I have told you everything about the face part. Okay, you have seen in the book. All of you are looking at the book now. Let me know. Let me know, all of you. All of you have looked. Please respond, all of you. I want respond. If I am not able to understand that you are understanding or not, then how will I proceed? If I am not able to understand that all of you are understanding or not, then how will I proceed? All of you are understanding, right? Yes, everyone is muted, dear. Everyone is muted. Okay. So, and the face part I have discussed. The full body part and the face part you can see in your book also. Understood? No problem, na? Cannot see. Why, dear Simran? Here it is no problem. Everyone can see me. Okay, then it might be your network problem. Okay. So now come to the page number 13. Okay. In page number 13, you can see. Let's read let's read this. We use different parts of our body to do different things, right? So we all know that we use different parts of our body to do different things. And let's see what are these different things. This part you can see. We all know that we use different parts of our body to do different things. We can stand, walk, run and jump with the help of our legs and feet, right? So what we can do with our legs and feet? What we can do with our legs and feet? We can stand, walk, run and jump, right? We can do with our legs and feet. Now let's see. We can do many things with our arms, hands and fingers. Some of them are eating, holding, brushing and painting. So with our arms, hands and fingers, what we can do? With our arms, hands and fingers, we can eat, holding, brushing, painting and some of our other things we can do with our arms, hands and fingers. Okay. And we use both hands and legs to do activities, right? Like swimming and dancing. So in both hands and legs are used to do swimming and dancing. Swimming and dancing. So with hands we can do, with legs and feet we can do, with legs and feet what? Stand, walk, run, jump, right? With hands, arms and fingers, arms, hands and fingers, we can do eating, holding, right? Holding, brushing, painting and some other things also we can do. Brushing, painting with both hands and legs. Okay, you can see with both hands and legs. With both hands and legs we can do swimming, dancing, dancing, swimming, etc. Okay. So these are the things we can do with our different body parts. Okay. So today I have read up to this part. Okay, mark it in your book that today I have read up to this part. Before sense organs, page number 13, sense organs, before sense organs I have read today. Up to this, mark it in your book. Okay. And in your next class I will read the next part from the sense organ. Okay. So all of you now please give your present. All of you understood? Let me know. Any problem you have? Then also let me know. Now give your present all of you. Arush. Arush Ghosh. Ayan Mukherjee. Okay students, I have taken you present. Okay, so all of you read the chapter very well. Okay, all of you read the chapter very well, and today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye all of you.